Hi everyone, today I'm teaching you how to disassemble the Honda Accord 8 generation. Firstly, remove these two silver decorative strips. Secondly, loosen these two screws that secure the center console panel. Thirdly, remove the pitchwood panel at the armrest position and unplug all plugs behind the panel. Fourthly, unscrew the 4 screws at these positions and remove the storage box. Fifthly, the two nuts that fix the entire panel at the bottom need to be unscrewed, and then the entire panel should be taken out and all plugs on the back should be unplugged. Sixth, remove the display screen of the original car. Okay, now install the removed original car display screen internal motherboard into the newly matched plastic accessories. Now let's start threading the cables. This one is the original car display screen adapter cable. This one is a power adapter cable. This one is an audio adapter cable. Okay, now let's connect the wires on the back of the car radio. This is the RCA audio cable. This is a USB transmission cable. It has two. This is the video input cable. After connecting, we will install the protective cover on the back again. Now connect the red and white plug of the audio adapter cable to the RCA audio cable. Then connect the power plug again. After connecting, install the no machine. Now we will connect the other female connectors to the original car plug, and the male connector to the socket on the back of the panel. Then plug the other original car plugs back into the panel. Install the center console panel and remember to tighten all the screws. Insert the male connector of the previous original car screen adapter into the modified original car screen panel, and then install it. Okay. Reconnect the plug on the back of the pitchwood panel and install the entire panel. Finally, we will install and modify these two silver decorative strips. This modified car radio can support the control of the original steering wheel buttons. To use this function, you only need to learn it. The modified car radio still needs to be set to aux output, so that we can have sound when listening to songs. In addition, it also has many rich features that support online movie playback, support online map navigation, supports Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music, supports wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, can use many applications supported on mobile phones. Okay. That's all for this episode of the video. Thank you all for watching.